Hello everyone. Doing the crankshaft position sensor. It is after work on Friday, and I got the new one here. Got the old one out, and it only took like 15 minutes to get it out. So I'm gonna put the new one in. And believe it or not, it wasn't too difficult to get it out of there. That's a 10mm bolt right there that comes out, and then you pull the sensor out. Let's see. What we did helped it. I don't know what that squeak was, but okay. That's a good sign. This other one had a lot of buildup on the magnet, which probably didn't help. I don't see any corrosion on the connector in there. Now that being broke probably didn't help, so we'll see what happens. I don't know if I'm gonna let it warm up all the way, take it for a test drive, or drive it tomorrow. I'll probably let it warm up, take a test drive, we'll see what happens. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, please do subscribe. I'm trying to reach my initial goal of 1,000 subscribers, and every thumbs up, or even thumbs down, and every subscription helps. So with that, I will see you later.